Energywise Ireland are proud to install the first solar PV system in the Volkswagen Group for Divanes Kerry. Divanes are producing electricity through solar PV on site to run their business and charge their range of electric cars. This unique project, which features multiple roof types, including Ireland's first commercial Solutech in-roof solar PV system. This in-roof solar PV glass system was designed to integrate flush into the roof and blend seamlessly with the glass front to their large showroom. It is estimated this solar PV system will offset their carbon emissions by 35 tonnes per annum, which is the equivalent of planting 1,600 trees. This system will save in excess of €550,000 over 25 years based on the current electricity prices. A special thanks to the Energywise commercial solar PV team for this design and installation. Congratulations to Divanes on helping Ireland become an Energywise Ireland.